In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight in Google Keep. First, a quick reality check so you know exactly what to expect. Google Keep doesn't currently include a true text highlighter like the one in Google Docs. That means there's no built-in marker-style highlight for selected words or sentences inside a Keep note. If you select text, you won't see a highlight button, and if you paste text that was highlighted somewhere else, Keep will strip that highlight and most other rich formatting. With that in mind, let's walk through the best ways to make important content stand out using the tools Keep does offer, and when it makes sense to move your content to Google Docs. Your first option is to use the basic text formatting that's available in newer versions of Keep on the web and on Android. Open your note in the Keep app or at keep.google.com, then select the text you want to emphasize. Look for the Format button. It's the underlined A icon. And choose styles like bold, italics, underline, or even headers if they're available to you. This won't add a colored background behind the words, but it does create clear visual contrast, which makes key points easier to scan. If you're emphasizing a lot of content, use headers for section titles and bold for short callouts so your note remains readable. And remember, these formatting options can vary by device and version, so if you don't see the format icon yet, check again on the web or after updating the app. Your second option is to change the background color of the entire note. Open the note, tap the color palette icon, and pick a background you like. This doesn't target specific text, but it's great for organizing your notes at a glance. For example, you might use a soft yellow for time-sensitive items and a light blue for research. Choose lighter shades for better readability, especially if you have a lot of text in the note. If you truly need classic highlighting with a colored marker effect on specific words or phrases, the best workaround is to move the note to Google Docs. Open the note in Keep, tap the three-dot menu, and choose Copy to Google Docs. Then open the created document in Docs, use the standard text highlight tool in the toolbar, and save or export as needed. Just a heads up. Those highlights won't sync back into Keep if you paste the text there again, since Keep removes most formatting. And that's it. Use formatting for emphasis, note colors for quick visual organization, and Google Docs for true highlighting when precision matters.